Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Maimuna. So we're from church and now we are house hunting. So I just want to show you the few options that you have. Yes, hopefully we are looking for a 2-bedroom house apartment. Yeah, so stay tuned. Hopefully you'll be able to like this video. Yes, just tell me, let's have a conversation in the comment section. Do you guys are looking for a house? Do you have like a specific area for looking for a house, or do you have like nearness to the road, stuff like that, the water? Is it like master in suit and stuff like that? Comment down below, let's have a conversation on that. Yeah, so let me just show you. So this is around, it's not far from the road as you can see. So we're looking for some over here. Let me show you. Nisupu. Guys, can you just see the lighting is on another level? Really amazing. Oh, so there are people sleeping here, and yeah, we're gonna see. It's a master in suit. This is how it looks like. Can you just appreciate the lighting, how the lighting will be coming inside, although it's not finished yet. And it has a lot of, it has a lot of wardrobes. The kitchen, this one is amazing. The cabinets, so this is just the general bathroom. Then so we want to ask how much is it. So if you stand from here, can you just imagine how pretty it is? Can you see the lighting? Then this is the master in suit. I like that. See, hopefully they put a mirror here. So this one is not finished. Ndio nasema curtains are white. And it has a lot of wardrobes. Can you just appreciate it? Environment here. I don't know what is that they're making. Probably, how do you call it? If you know, kindly comment down in the comment section. And the environment here is beautiful. It's really giving. Yeah, so this is our first option. As you can see, it's so pretty and there's a lot of music here. Very nice. first house. Now we are looking for the second house. Yeah. That is how it looks like. So we're still looking for others. Yeah, this one is not yet finished. Yeah. So hopefully by the end of this month, it has a lot of, I think, lighting, and then you can see the environment is not like very safe. It really is hazardous for a baby to stay in it. So let us go and look for the second house in it. Yeah, so now we are going to look at the second house. But this one looks nice, really nice. And the environment, yeah, those have not finished there, but yeah, it's really giving. So let us go and look for another house. That is my elder sister. Mommy, say hi.
Hello.
Then this is my little brother. Then this is my nephew. Nephew, my niece.
Say hi.
Hi, Mom.
Mom is strong. Okay, so yeah, let us go and look for another house. Okay, come and say hi, guys.
Hi, Mommy.
Kama utaingililia huku.
Hapa? Oh, unaingilianga hapa? Oh, mimi naenda hapa.
The one that you're seeing here is a university. It's called Tom Mboya University, one of the newest universities. Actually, it's only one. Yeah, so it's only one university around here. It's called Tom Mboya. It's an agriculture and technological university. If you want to see inside it, kindly comment down below. Yeah, are you interested about it? Then this side, mostly, I think this is a residential apartment. Yes, it is. Then down there, hotels. Yeah, where students can just go and eat. Yeah, where students can go and eat. And mostly they're always affordable. Yeah. Twende. So this is the university here. Can you see the ambience is giving? If you want to see inside the university, kindly comment down below if you want to see. So this is the shortcut we are using, but there's a lot of government offices over here. As you can see, office of the women rep, then department of the health headquarters, it's over here, as you can see. Then ahead of us is a school, a little bit school. There we go. This road that you're seeing ahead, this road leads us to the lake directly. Yes, I also did a video on the lake, so you can go and check it out. Yeah, so straight ahead there's a lake, so you can just see the lake and touch it. Yeah, that is where most of the fish and the lake food come from. It's called Lake Victoria. Yes. And the good thing about Homa Bay town is that, as you can see, let me just be able to show this side. As you can see, everyone is friendly. That one I won't lie, though everybody's looking at you in a weird way. Then another thing, this place is expensive. Everything is so expensive. The house, the food. Yesterday I went to the market and I bought like six tomatoes for around how do you call it? Six tomatoes for 50 shillings. Then there's a nice hotel here. I don't know if it has been opened. Yeah, there you go. How do you call it? We're inside wholesale. We're looking for some stuff. Yeah, it's called Pramuk. It's one of the most famous. You see this one, they sell at 200 shillings. These are tissue papers. So, we're not sure Okay. We're not sure which one to take. Let's check. I'm looking for rice and I don't know which one to check. Ilukoi.
500.
Martin ndogo. This one is small. We are looking for the big one. This one is the big one.
5 kg. Hebu shikani kwa kama.
Are you sure this is the rice?
This is it ilibaiwa na
Home.
it ilibaiwa home.